Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Google ADK and LangGraph to help you decide which AI agent framework is better for developers. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, performance and efficiency. Google ADK, which is short for Agent Development Kit, is backed by Google's robust infrastructure. It offers high performance, seamless API integration, and advanced debugging tools. LangGraph, on the other hand, uses a graph-based state machine model which gives developers more control and transparency over agent behavior. While ADK is slightly faster, LangGraph shines in task orchestration and visibility. Number 2, ease of use. LangGraph is open source and has a growing community that contributes plugins and workflows. It's flexible and developer friendly. ADK though is powerful, and it may feel more rigid as it's still maturing with limited customization options compared to LangGraph. Number 3, integration. ADK integrates well with Google's ecosystem, such as Vertex AI, Firebase, and Cloud Functions, while LangGraph is highly compatible with LangChain, Hugging Face, and other open libraries, making it a solid choice if you are building outside of Google's ecosystem. Number 4, use cases. You can choose Google ADK for commercial scale applications with tight Google Cloud integration, and you can choose LangGraph for research, experimentation, or multi-agent workflows needing step-based execution. So, in conclusion, both of them are excellent, but LangGraph is better choice for flexibility and transparency in agent behavior, while Google ADK is ideal for enterprise scale builds. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.